Alright guys, here we are at European Motors again. Just doing our videos here. We'll do a nice little walk around on this really pretty pearl white 2017 QX50. This is an all-wheel drive car. QX50 with 21,000 miles. This is a one owner. I think we purchased this right from Infiniti, didn't we, Susie? Yes, Susie's with me. Yes. So this is a one owner purchased directly from Infiniti. This would have been leased by a private individual. This is what I'm going to call a clean Carfax, other than it has damage reported. What that means is it wasn't technically in an accident. It just means there was damage reported at a body shop. So typically that means maybe something happened in a parking lot, they backed into their mailbox, something like that on the rear of the vehicle. So that does show up on the Carfax, but we have no accidents, no airbag deployments, no structural damage or anything like that. Just says damage reported to the rear. So as far as cosmetically, the car shows very clean. It's a non-smoker vehicle, has the factory floor mats. When I did the pictures, I did notice we've got some damage to the wheels right here, some curb damage there. And we've got just some load, a couple of load marks here. Otherwise very clean. Pop it open for you. I notice we do have books in the glove box. It does have Bose audio as well. It looks like that was the speaker there, the subwoofer, and the undercover area there. All right, let's hop in. We'll take it for a quick spin. So this is nicely equipped here. It's got a lot of the options that a lot of folks like. Of course, heated leather. We got navigation. One neat thing on the Infinitis that I really like, they were kind of, I feel like, one of the first ones to do it, and I think they do a good job with it, is you have both a backup camera and you have a bird's eye view. So as you know, if I were to back up, it's kind of showing that I'm close to a curb. I'll back up just a little bit, and you kind of see exactly where you are right there. So so navigation, heated seats, kind of your basic luxury options for today's vehicles. It does have the Bose like we discussed. I'm trying to think of what else it's got. Sunroof, Bluetooth
phone, yeah, and audio.
Yep. So we've got no warning lights on. I think I've told you, but I'll say it again. If I didn't, 21,634 miles. This is a one owner, purchased directly from Infiniti. Goes through the gears nicely. I'm not, folks, I'm not flooring it or anything. I'm just trying to show that it's got no weird noises, no lights on, nothing like that. This is under full factory warranty. Infiniti has a 4-year, 60,000 mile warranty on these vehicles, and it looks like this was put in service in April of 2017. So we have warranty on time until April of 2021. So you have quite a bit of warranty that way. And you also have, well,
about another 40,000 miles.
39,000 miles or so on mileage. So there it is, one owner, 2017 QX50 all-wheel drive. Books in the glove box. We got the factory mats. Smells great in here. Got a little bit of scuffing on one of the wheels I want you to be aware of. And you know, that's about it. We did service the vehicle with synthetic oil like we typically do on these, so somebody's going to get a nice vehicle to enjoy. Give us a call, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. Phone number is 319-393-8496. My name's Pete. Susie's holding the camera, or you can talk to Tommy as well. Be happy to help you on this Infiniti. Thanks for watching.